to build such a service internally. It would have required to have multiple engineers, almost full-time job for 3 to 6 months. Finding Recall at that moment was really a time-saving and relieving for the engineering team, especially. My name is Mathieu de la Fournière, and I'm a CTO and a co-founder at Modjo. Modjo is an AI revenue platform. Our goal is to drive revenue teams' productivity and performance by leveraging their conversations with their customers. So we capture those conversations, being calls or online video meetings. We transcribe them through speech to text, and then we analyze them. At Modjo, part of our job is actually capturing the recordings of the conversations. We knew that one of the way to do it was actually building bots, but this appeared like a huge amount of work to build such a service internally. It would have required to have multiple engineers, almost full-time job for 3 to 6 months. Finding Recall at that moment was really a time-saving and relieving for the engineering team, especially. We probably divided the amount of work by 3 to 4x. When we first went through the docs of Recall, we had a pretty magical moment where we felt like we really need to work with them because this is exactly what we need to do. We now use a Recall technology to send bots to these meetings and actually collect the recordings from these meetings. Working with Recall, we've seen a huge increase in the amount of meetings that our users using Google Meet or Microsoft Teams would record per user. We've seen the amount of recordings on Google Meet multiplied by 2 and on Microsoft Teams multiplied by 10. So that had a significant impact on the amount of data we would capture and thus the adoption on our product. Having Recall continuously improving the product is just so much better than having our resources constantly working to maintain that service that we would have built internally. Today we're super happy, and we think it's very cost efficient as well. From a tech company to another, it's been pretty fluid.